Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the winter or Christmas version of the boyfriend from week 5 of Friday Night Funkin. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Let's start off by drawing the shape of the face like this. Then draw the eyebrows with a large V shape. And then thicken the lines up slightly with tapered ends. Next, let's draw the eyes with U shapes like this. Then color both eyes in black. Now from the left side of the face, draw a line over the left eye, and then a line down to the eyebrow. Now from the top of the right eye, draw a diagonal line down to the right. Let's draw the mouth next. Draw a curve on the bottom right here, and then a curve over to the left. A small line down on the right now, and then curve it over into the other line. Next, add 2 pointed V shapes next to the mouth for the top of the fur of the jacket. Now finish closing off the right side with a small line down above the fur. And now add a zigzag line inside here for the 2 pieces of hair. Let's draw the front of the hair next. From the top of the right eye, draw a diagonal line up, and then a curve down. Now, draw a large curve over to the left and back down, and bring it back in. Then add one more pointed piece of hair to finish it off. Let's add the ear next on the right. Draw a triangle shape here, and then another one inside. Let's draw the hat next. For the top left of the hair, draw a line up and then curve it over to the right. Now angle it down just above the ear. And then one more small diagonal line down. Then hop back to the top and draw a curve and then angle it down to the bottom. Let's finish the fur collar next. Under the face, draw a short line down. Then draw a zigzag line across to the right like this. Next, let's draw the right arm. Draw a bent line down here, then a longer one to the right. And now close it off with a curve. Next, hop to the left side and draw an angled line down for the side of the body. Let's draw the fur at the bottom of the coat now. At the bottom of the line we just drew, draw an M shape. Then draw zigzag lines from the top and bottom across to the right arm like this. Next, inside the middle of the coat, draw an S-curve down. Let's add the hood next. Draw the fur with curved points on the right side here. and then add a curve under to the arm. Lastly, add one more small V-shape under the hood for the fur of the coat. Before moving on to the rest of the body, I forgot to add the brim of the hat earlier, so let's draw that now. To the right of the ear, draw a square loop out to the right. Let's move back down to the arm now and draw a curve down and out. Then add a curved V-shape at the bottom for the pocket of the pants. Then a bent curve to the left. And one more upside down V. Then draw the shape of the shoe like this. Next, let's add the sole of the shoe and add 2 V-shaped notches at the bottom. Now in the top left, draw a curve here. And color this section in black. Let's add another black section on the right here like this. Now let's draw the laces. Draw 4 black circles down on the left and 3 on the right. And then draw laces with crisscross lines. And now if you want, you can erase any of the overlapping lines inside the laces. Let's draw the other shoe next. Draw a diagonal line down in the middle here. Then another down on the left. And then add the top of the boot with an open square shape. Then close off the pants with a bent line above it. Now draw the shape of the shoe out to the left like this. Let's draw the sole next. On the left, draw an angled line down. And then curve it in to the right. And add a small V-shaped notch. Then another curve to the right. Now add an upside down U shape. Then finish off the sole with one more curve. Now color in a small angled section under the U black. Next, in the top right of the shoe, add a V. And then color this section in black as well. Lastly, add the laces here the same way as the other side. Let's draw the hand holding the microphone now. From the left side of the pants, draw 3 fingers going up on a diagonal like this. Then close off the hand with bumps down. Next, draw a curved rectangle shape at the top of the hand. And add one curve inside. Then draw the microphone with a circular curve at the end. Then add the detailed lines inside. Next, draw the thumb to the right with a wavy line like this. And one more curve under it to close off the hand. Lastly, let's add the other arm. Add an upside down V next to the thumb. And then a curve over to the fur collar for the arm. And that's it for the week 5 boyfriend. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!